Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a watch unboxing. Obviously, I'm going to cut this off to the side here. This watch was lent over. Well, it's a random Rob tour watch kind of deal, but last guy that had it was Dane over at the Saleen Driver channel. Go check him out if you haven't already. And hopefully that... Oh, looks like it was taped and not glued, but it has that sticky substance on here to whatever, keep it shut. So this is a Borealis, I forgot the name, maybe Icarus, I don't know. I'll look it up and put it in the description. It's a pilot style watch. So a little bit of time to check this out and figure out where to send it to next. Yeah, it's a nice looking watch here. Actually, it kind of looks like one of my Damascus, so maybe I'll compare it to that. So I guess it's kind of a pilot field type watch. Time and date looks to be a vintage loom. Yeah, this looks really similar actually to my Damascus. So I'll have to compare this to that one in an upcoming video here. The hands look to be blued almost. Yeah, look at that. So I'm not sure if those are heat blued hands or what. Very neat. The dial looks... Yeah, it looks almost like a dark brown dial. It doesn't look black. Huh, interesting. So I'll have to do some more research on this watch. So automatic movement, obviously. Well, maybe not obvious because I'm hand winding it, but there should be a rotor in here. Let's see if the case back says anything. "100-meter water resistance, Borealis Watch Co." I think I said that, didn't I? Icarus? I don't know how you pronounce that. Swiss R150, really? Okay, I was expecting it to be either a Seiko NH35 or a Miyota 9000 series, so I'm not familiar with that R150. I'll have to do a little bit more research with this watch. Alright, very interesting. Quick release leather straps here. And the buckle and tang match the case. Alright, so let me get this on wrist and then we'll close out the video here. Swiss R150. I don't even know I have no idea what that is. So let's set this over here, I guess. Wow, that's real thin. Geez, seems like it might be 16 millimeter. That's quite thin down here. I haven't experienced that before either. So if I had to guess, it's probably 20 there. Actually, I have my... I should just buy another set of calipers and keep them in the studio. Oh, I'm doing inches. Oh, geez, been a long day. Yeah, that's 20, and then this is... Yeah, I would say that's 16 down there. It almost seems like a women's watch band down here. Anyway, I'm at the last hole position, and it's probably a little bit loose. So if this is a prototype, I would want them to add another hole position. So there we go. Let me know what you think of this watch. I know I would like it better if it did not have a date. You have these nice large Arabics and then that little dinky date window down there. I would like a much more, as much as I don't like a 4:30 date position, I don't know. I think it would make more sense. All right, then we'll zoom out here and then we'll close out the video. I do like that dark case and the vintage loom though. Very nice. All right, that will conclude the video. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment below. If it was my watch, I'd be tempted to add another hole here. But anyway, I'll catch you guys on the next video.